Dr. Pepper.
As if you think you're a successful musician, you got a screw loose.
What a really cool way to enter the city. None of the lights are working.
Take it back now, y'all. One hop this time.
Let's try this. Can I get a hell yeah from you guys? Hell yeah! Hell yeah. What's a cool cheer to do in St. Louis? I don't know. I say Saint, you say Louis. Saint. Louis. Saint. Louis. Thanks, guys.
I'm gonna go watch the band Feel at Delmer Hall. It was fun. That was good. Nice and loud and rocking. Got to talk to the guitarists before and after, so that was pretty cool. They sounded great. Just trying to book another show in Omaha.
Who's next?
Daddy.
Daddy Shark Dance. Goes on and on. You're doing the worm? Strangers waiting. I can do the worm. Up and down the boulevard. Here, you play guitar, I'll go to the worm.
Recording, say something funny, do whatever.
No, don't do that to me.
The dancing queen, young and sweet, only 17.
I mean, outside of that, like, this week is going to be uneventful weather.
Welcome back to Uke Boarding. This time we're in St. Louis.
Welcome back to Uke Boarding. This time we're in St. Louis. Welcome.
Do some, what's that guy from Hawaii?
Back to Uke Boarding. This time we're in St. Louis. Oh God. I do. Watch this. You ready? Welcome back to Uke Boarding. This time, we're in St. Louis. I'm a musician from Nashville traveling through the area.
Entry, smoking, usage of e-cigarettes, vapes, and other forms of tobacco.
Here we go, man. Give me 1 second.
Well, 7th inning, and they're calling the game. Severe thunderstorms in the area. So now we all gotta exit. We're
back on, baby. 11-4. Tigers lost.
I'm gonna get the boat.
You mean a litter?
A litter of kittens? His eyes are not gonna close, are they?
This one might be a nice snake.
Bye, Mommy. Here, put those rocks here.
Hey, just talk about things like the Washington Monument.
Going to game number 2. Let's hope it's not a blowout this time. Walking over to my seat, I got a home run. First batter, home run. Today's our day, our game. Tigers win, baby.
And for a deeper dive, check out our Bible Resources Bundle.
Whatever tomorrow brings, I'll be there. Must be some kind of way out of here. Just to myself, focus.
Every morning, every morning. Shut the door, baby. Don't say a word. Fucking word. Hell yeah, dude.
That was good.
That's a fun one to do.
Window to the wall.
My loneliness is killing me.
And I...
Just have like an archive of like, oh, I want to go play in Denver. Here's, 5
You
venues.
can call me Daddy.
The top of my lungs.
What's going on? And I said, hey, yeah. So tell your lonely nights and lipstick on your face.
Buy me a drink, buy me a drink, buy me a drink. And then you get a drink.
Last is a merry day. One more time.
I did that.
He poops it out.
I think it's easy.
Make a chai tea.
That chai latte?
Yeah.
Actually starts investing in first time a few months ago. It's an amazing facility. In about the 1920s. It's going to take you just over 134 years to drink one of these tanks dry. But wiser.
Security law.
Let them know you're a wholesaler.
Into one of two round rotating devices.
I do an ultra, please.
Sure. There you go.
Thank you so much.
Sure.
Just stay right here.
Worth around $1 billion.
Now watch this drive. Alright, gonna go check out the City Museum. See what that's all about.
Then you need to let other people go in front of you, okay?
Whee! Basically, this is just a huge jungle gym for kids, but adults can climb it too. It's fun.
Use my hands. And that wraps it up for St. Louis. We'll see you in